Hey everybody, it's Xavier from brandingabetterinfo, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about one of my marketing strategies. One of my marketing strategies that I use, which is fairly successful, is just basically it's actually really simple. All I do is when I'm out and about doing my daily routines or going to and from, what I do is whenever I come in contact with somebody within, let's say, 2-3 feet of me, I kind of introduce myself, tell them what I'm all about, find out information about them, find out what they're about, and ask them if they're basically interested in an opportunity. And so what I do is I go out and introduce myself to people, which is not the easiest thing to do. I remember when I first started doing it, I had a real hard time walking up to a stranger and just saying hi. But over a period of time, you learn to overcome that. And so by doing that, what I do is I am looking to meet new people, quote unquote, begin the networking process. And what I do is I'm looking to find out about that person, let that person know about me, what I'm into, what I like, what I do, what my company does, and see if they're open to an opportunity. If they're not open to the opportunity, that's cool. Then what we do is move on to the next phase, which is find out how I can help them save money. And that will come in the form of whether they're utilizing a cell phone plan or need satellite TV, or whether they need ID card or one of the other products that my primary company lists, like VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol System, their home phone service, for example. And so what I try to do is when I'm out and about, I try to meet people. I make it a point to try and meet people, and I just inform them what it is that I do, and that works fairly well. Sometimes it takes a lot of follow-up to deal when you're dealing with people who you just kind of meet, because sometimes people are a little apprehensive. So what you have to do is you have to really just call what they would. You really have to do what they call just getting to their warm market. And what that basically means is you spend a lot of time, or a fair amount of time, going through form, which you might have heard me talk about once before in a previous video. Family, occupation, recreation, and then talk about their business, their money, how they make their money. And when you utilize those tools over a period of time with that person, what happens is you become acceptable to that person, and you end up, either being able to bring that person into your primary business, or you're able to acquire that person as a customer, in my case. And so that's one of my marketing strategies. It's really better known as a 3-foot rule. And even though I didn't call it that in the initial outset of this particular video, that's really what it's called, the 3-foot rule. So this has been Xavier from A Branding a Better You, and I'll catch you on the next one.